Hi guys, Saloni this side and welcome back to our channel Codera. So guys, this is the 14th video of our SQL tutorial series, and in the last video we talked about the where clause and some comparison operator. So here I would suggest you to watch that video first, and the video link is in the description box, or you can also check out our complete SQL playlist by just clicking the I button. So guys, in this video we will discuss about AND operator, or operator, not operator, and the combination of AND, or, and not operator. And with this video I will also give you some SQL practice questions, so please watch this video till the end. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates. So guys, in the last video we used where clause, something like this. So as you can notice that here we have only used one condition with the where clause. But what if I want to apply two or more condition with the where clause? Something like this. So in this case, AND and OR operator comes in the picture. So we can combine AND, OR and NOT with the where clause, and particularly AND and OR operators are used to filter the data with the multiple conditions. So now let's see how these operators works. So first we will discuss about the AND operator. So guys, as I have already told you, with the help of AND operator we can apply one or more condition with the where clause. So the AND operator fetch the records only if all the conditions separated by the AND operator are true. So for example, here we have two conditions, that is salary should be equal to 2000 and name should be equal to Jack. So the query with the AND operator will give you the results only and only if both the conditions are true. So this AND operator is like the logical AND operator of any programming language. So the result will be true if all the given conditions are true. So guys, this is the general syntax for the AND operator. So here you can see up to the where clause the query is same as we used previously. But after the condition 1 we can write AND operator, and after that we can specify condition 2. And again we can write AND operator and we can specify the condition 3, and so on. So in this way you can specify multiple conditions which are separated by AND operator. So now let's solve a query based on AND operator. So guys, in our employee table we have these 5 columns, which is ID, name, salary, department and date of birth. So our question is to display all the details of the employee whose name is Jack and has salary below 2500. So to solve this question we will write select star from employee where name equal to Jack and salary less than 2500. So now let's execute this query. So here you can see that we have two records which has name equal to Jack, but we have only one record which has salary less than 2500, because for the other record the salary is null. So the AND operator will return only one record, because for the AND operator all the specified condition must be true. And here we have one more query, that we have to find a record which has name equal to Tom and department equal to tester. So to solve this query we will write select star from employee where, so after the where clause we will write name equal to Tom, and then we will write the AND operator, and after the AND operator we will write our next condition. So our next condition is department should be equal to tester. Now let's execute our query. So there is no record in our result, because here there is no combination of name Tom and department tester. So this is how AND operator works. But guys, what if I want the record which satisfies any one of the specified condition? So for this we have to use OR operator, which is exactly opposite of AND operator. So this OR operator will fetch the data if any of the specified condition which are separated by the OR operator is true. So guys, again it is like the logical OR operator of any programming language. So if any of the given condition is true, then the result will be true. And this is the general syntax for OR operator, which is similar as AND operator. So like the AND operator, the conditions with the where clause will be separated by the OR operator, and you can specify multiple conditions according to your need. So let's solve a query based on OR operator. So we have to display all the records which has either name equal to Jack or salary less than 2500. So to solve this query, we have to write select star from employee where name equal to Jack or salary less than 2500. So let's execute this query. So here you can see that in the results we have 4 records, which is not like the last time when we have used the AND operator where we got only 1 record. Because this record satisfy any one condition which is either for the name or for the salary. That's why in the results we are getting 4 records. So now let's solve one more query based on OR operator. So in this query we have to display all the records of the employee who has either the name equal to Tom or belongs to developer department. So now let's solve this question. So for this we have to write select star from employee where name equal to Tom or department equal to developer. So let's execute this query. So here you can see in the output we have 4 records. So all these 4 records satisfy any one of the condition, which is either they have the name equal to Tom or the department is equal to developer. So in this way you can use OR operator. Now I hope you understand how to use AND and OR operator. So now let's see what is NOT operator. So when we use NOT operator with the where clause, then it will give us the results if the specified condition is not true. So if your condition is true, then the NOT operator will make it false. Or if the condition is false, then the NOT operator will make it true. So basically NOT operator reverses the value of Boolean expression. It is simply like the logical NOT operator of different programming languages. So for example, our condition is where name equal to Tom. So this condition will give us the record which has name equal to Tom. But when we use NOT operator with this condition, something like this, which is where not name equal to Tom, then it will give us the records which has name not equal to Tom. So guys, this is the general syntax for using the NOT operator. So we have to write NOT operator just before specifying any condition. So you have to write select and then the column name, then we will write from, then our table name, and with the where clause we will write NOT and then we will specify our condition. So now let's solve a question based on NOT operator. So the question is display all the records which has department other than HR. So our query will be like this. So we will write select star from employee where not department equal to HR. So let's execute this query. So as you can see in the results, we have all the records except the record which has department equal to HR. But at this point you will think like we can get the same output with the not equal to operator. Then what is the need of not operator? So guys, in the case of other operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to and so on, you will have to use the not operator if you want to revert the condition. For example, we want to fetch the record which don't have salary less than or equal to 3000. Then in this case not operator will help us. So for this we will write select star from employee where not salary less than or equal to 3000. So let's execute our query. So guys, in the output we have 4 records and all the salary is not less than or equal to 3000. So guys, this is how you can use the not operator. So guys, till now we have discussed about AND, OR and NOT operator. And you can also use the combination of these operators. And it is very important to understand because it will help you to solve the complex queries. So guys, for example, we want to display the details of those employees who has ID less than 107 and they should either belong to the department developer or tester. So in this case, we have to use AND and OR operator together. So we will write select star from employee where ID less than 107 and after that we will use the parenthesis. So inside the parenthesis we will write department equal to developer or department equal to tester. So guys, in this query we have used the parenthesis so that we can specify the order of operation. So here in our query, first it will evaluate the condition inside the parenthesis and then it will evaluate the two conditions separated by the AND operator. And suppose if you will not use the parenthesis, then you may get the wrong results. So the use of parenthesis is very important because this parenthesis decides the order of operation. So now let's execute this query and let's see what will be our result. So you can see in the results, the department is either developer or tester and all the IDs are less than 107. So in this way you can use the combination of this operator to solve the complex queries. And you can also combine the AND and NOT operator, or you can also use OR and NOT operator together. So it completely depends on the query or your requirement. So for example, here we want to display the records of the employee whose department is other than HR and accounts. And also in the last video we talked about this query. So to solve this query we have to write select star from employee where not department equal to HR and not department equal to accounts. So let's execute this query. So guys, you can see in the output the department is either developer or tester, but its value is not equal to HR and accounts. So it is very easy to use these operators. So guys, many combinations are possible, and if you want to practice more on this, then please check out the PDF in the description box for SQL practice questions. And in the description box you will also find the answers of last SQL practice questions. So guys, that's all about this video. I hope you will like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.